Honestly, I wouldn't do anything different. I felt like I did everything right at Stout here, and I had a blast, and I wouldn't change anything about my career here at Stout.
I would have definitely just taken more time and advantage of my years here at Stout. It went way too fast, and I'm sad it's over, but I'm happy it happened.
I really will miss my friends. I live kind of far away, but I've made a lot of good friends here, and we ate dinner together every day. It was so cool. We had a little community.
I'll miss the people. There's a lot of good people here. A lot of the professors are really, interactive with you.
It's got to be the staff.
The person who had the most impact on me in college is Ashley Pratt, my best friend.
Definitely my mom and dad. They support me to come out of my baseball games, and they're there all the time, and they really raised me to the guy I am today.
Mesa Covell, she's the director of alumni relations, and she's really been my mentor for all 4 years of college and kind of shown me the ropes and shown me to stand up for myself, and I'm gonna start crying.
Craig, he's a professor here.
So the very first professor I had was for my calculus class, Dr. Keith Wojciechowski.
My best friend Chelsea, she's there for everything.
Tiffany Koschel, she's really incredible and has inspired me to do better and push myself out of my comfort zone. And
I'm a first generation student, so everything that I've learned, I feel like I've learned from Stout, and everything that I've become, it's because of Stout, and it's because of my mentors here, and my friends and my family. Yeah, I'm gonna miss everything.